a cracker.
Oh my gosh.
They're everywhere.
Middle of a swamp. Where did you even see the cracker come from? Your name is now Cheez It. Hi, Cheez It.
Wow.
Are we best friends now? Bye bye, Cheez It.
They're like seagulls. Oh, wow. Where'd they go?
You remembered us. How did you know where? There's one peeking down. Cheez It, is that you?
What is happening? Oh my gosh, our car's gonna be scratched up. Run away. Take them with you. You're like Ant-Man.
I go where they tell me to go. We shall get more crackers. Yes, I shall get more crackers from the female woman in the car. Let us go. Let us go now.
Now they're on our car. Go away.
Which one of you is Cheez It?
Oh, I told it to go. Oh, it's on my...
Are you Cheez It? Around, they're watching us. Here, give me a cracker.
Everywhere that we go, they go.
Let's see if they recognize this one cracker.
One cracker. Oh yeah. Oh wow.
Ow! You got my fingers. It's all gone, Cheez It. Crackers. Let's watch this. Watch it. Let's see if they'll follow us. Okay. There it is. Wow. Look, they're walking along. Okay, now here, give me one.
Okay.
We'll go a far distance and see if they spot it from nowhere, because they're far away now.
Okay.
See, they're all the way over there.
Okay, wait, let me watch.
They've already gone back over there, somewhere in there.
Okay, ready? Just stand still, stand still.
Here, let's go a little farther. Let's just test it.
Oh, here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. This is incredible.
Okay, they are zeroed in.
Wow, they followed us all the way from down the road.
Like 3 miles away.
Wow, they followed our car.
And we were gone for about 15 minutes because we were filming those alligators.
Oh, I thought that was an alligator right there.
All right,
Okay,
so
you
we're
wanna do
pretty far
another?
away. Look, little sliver. The lighthouse is blocking their view. We'll go around over there. Maybe they get a different vantage point.
Okay. I see you.
Look.
No way, no way. Oh my goodness. Here it comes, here it comes. How did they do this? Wow. Oh my goodness.
We gotta reward them.
That's incredible. Oh, we got a seagull too. You gotta put your time in, seagull.
Yeah.
Look at all your friends. Look at 'em. Here they go.
So